Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Anitsacademy. Let's start coloring our Santa, and listen, a new interesting story. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled between snow-covered hills, there was a boy named Timmy who loved Christmas more than anything. He eagerly awaited the night when Santa Claus would visit, bringing gifts to all the children. Every year, Timmy would leave cookies and milk for Santa, his heart full of excitement. One snowy Christmas Eve, as Timmy prepared for bed, he couldn't help but wonder, how does Santa manage to make everyone's wishes come true, year after year? His curiosity kept him awake, and as the clock struck midnight, Timmy decided to sneak a peek. He quietly tiptoed downstairs and hid behind the living room curtains, hoping to catch a glimpse of the jolly man in the red suit. But what Timmy saw that night wasn't exactly what he expected. Instead of a large man in a red suit, Timmy saw something that made his heart swell with warmth. His parents, Mom and Dad, dressed in cozy Christmas sweaters, working together, filling stockings, wrapping presents, and placing them under the tree. His dad carefully wrote names on the gift tags while his mom arranged the cookies on a plate. They were Santa's secret helpers, making sure that the magic of Christmas reached every corner of their home. Timmy stood there, speechless, realizing that the love and hard work his parents put in every year were the true magic of Christmas. They made everything possible, from buying gifts to planning festive meals, all to see him smile on Christmas morning. Their love, though unspoken, was a real gift. As his parents worked quietly, Timmy began to understand something important. The true meaning of Christmas wasn't just about presents or Santa, it was about love, sacrifice, and gratitude. It was about how his parents, without asking for anything in return, made his dreams come true year after year. Feeling a deep sense of respect, Timmy quietly returned to his bed and fell asleep with a smile. The next morning, when he woke up to the sound of his parents calling him, Timmy rushed to the living room, not just to see his presents, but to hug his parents. "Thank you," he whispered, his eyes filled with love and gratitude. His parents looked at him, surprised but happy. They knew that Timmy had learned the true magic of Christmas, the gift of love, respect, and the importance of family. From that day on, Timmy never looked at Santa the same way again. He realized that the real magic was in the people who loved him, who worked hard to make his life bright, just like Santa. And every year, as he grew older, he made sure to cherish his parents even more, understanding that their love was the greatest gift of all. Moral of the story: the love and hard work of parents, often unseen and unspoken, is the real magic that shapes our lives. Respect, love, and gratitude for them are the greatest gifts we can give in return. So friends, how was the story? Please comment me in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the like button if you are enjoying the video. Dear friends, this was a very long video which I have trimmed to a suitable length so that you won't get bored. I hope you like the video and will watch it till the end. watching, and Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to all my subscribers and non-subscribers. God bless you and bless me too. Take care and see you soon with yet another interesting video. Till then, take care.